Alright, so the first thing you'll have to do is log in with your username and password, and once you do that, your system will open and the application will start. So you will have to go to the configuration. If you are doing this for the first time, you have to go to initial configuration and you have to go to system settings, and here you have to enable IndiaMart integration, put in the registered mobile number and the secret key that you get from the IndiaMart portal and update it. Once you've done this, your integration is set, and obviously you need to have an internet connection for this to work. So you can go to sales and sales opportunities. Here there are two sections. One is the existing leads, where you can manage your existing leads that you've already fetched and working on them. There is fresh IndiaMart leads. Here you can fetch the new leads from IndiaMart. If you click this, it will not work for me because there are no fresh leads available for me right now. But if I want to see the previous ones which I have not allocated, I can press this button and I can see that this is the lead which I have not yet allocated to anybody, and I can see the details and accordingly allocate it to somebody in my team. And once I have done this, I update this, then this leads actually moves over to the existing leads area. So if I want to see what are my existing leads, I can put in the date range. Now this is basically the date on which the lead was fetched or allocated actually. So since I have old leads in this particular database, demo database, so I'll put in the date range accordingly and say load the current opportunities. So you can see that I have all these leads that I have already allocated to different people, the user ID whom I have allocated to, and this is basically the summary row. So what is the description, and obviously the person to whom it is allocated can put in the different details. You can have different stages based on your organization. There is a separate master for this, and it can be used by people. Then you can have different status of each lead. You can have remarks. This is the first level allocation. So you can either use this for allocating your leads, or you can go to the second level where this person can further allocate it to somebody in his team, right? And for each of for this lead, for example, if you want to see what was the original IndiaMart data, so that is then viewable under that summary row. So you can see what were the details of IndiaMart, and accordingly you can then work on this and put in the various activities that you've done on this lead and update your data. So this is a basic solution for managing IndiaMart leads, and you can obviously put in leads which are not relevant to IndiaMart. So if you see for this lead, there is no IndiaMart data because this lead was not fetched from IndiaMart portal. So this is how you can manage your sales opportunities. And there is another query that we get is how do we export IndiaMart queries to Excel. So you can create a simple report or get it created from us and then give the rights to the right people. So then the person whom you give the rights to can actually pull out this report, and when you generate this, the system asks you what is the date range for which you want to pull out the data, and obviously you put the date range and the data is visible. This data is the raw IndiaMart data that you fetched from the portal, and obviously it has the mobile number and email address and all those details, and you can you can either use the filter over here or just like Excel, or you can export it to Excel or in CSV format maybe. And so this is more or less what is available in the system for IndiaMart. Thank you.